Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. And in today's video, I will be showing you how to loop a video over and over again. And what you want to do is open up the YouTube app, search up the video that you want to loop. Once you search for the video that you want to loop, as you can see where it says save, tap on it and change. Press on new playlist. Name it as loop. Press create. Go into library. Scroll down where it says loop. And as you can see, it's in a loop. There you go. Thanks for watching. Peace. See ya. Bye-bye. That's how you loop a YouTube video.